Face yoga is a natural technique that involves facial exercises, stretches, and massage to improve skin health, enhance muscle tone, and promote relaxation. Just like other body muscles, facial muscles also require movement and toning to stay firm and youthful. Namaste, I am Kalyani. Welcome to the series on facial yoga. Watch the video till the end and practice face yoga with me. Stay tuned to get important information and tips at the end of the video. There are 43 muscles in the face and many of them remain underused. Over a period of time, lack of movement causes sagging, wrinkles, and a tired look. Face yoga improves blood circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the skin. It helps in lymphatic drainage, reducing the puffiness and toxins from the face. Unlike other facial treatments, face yoga is 100% natural, requires no chemicals, and improves the skin health from within. Today, let us practice some massaging techniques for forehead, eyes, and around the eyes. Let us start with the forehead smoother. So, tap your forehead with the tip of the fingers from center of the forehead to the ends. In the next exercise, use the middle finger and the ring finger to massage your forehead from the center to the ends. With a gentle but firm pressure, I recommend using light facial oils, moisturizers, or fresh aloe vera gel for massaging. So repeat this massage for 5 to 10 times. In the next technique, let us give a crisscross massage from the center of the eyebrows across towards the forehead with a firm and gentle pressure, lifting your eyebrows in the upward direction. In the next technique, let us give massage to the temple area of the forehead. So lift the corner of the eyebrows firmly with one hand and keep the other hand at the corner of the cheekbones and lift your cheekbones in the upward direction towards the temple, and from here you lift your temple area in the upward direction. Repeat this exercise 10 times. On the other side. Then there are some exercises for the rejuvenation of the eye muscles. Let us start with the V, index finger and middle finger at the inner and outer corner of the eyes. Press firmly and gaze upwards. Maintain the firm pressure for 10 seconds. And repeat this exercise 3 times. In the next exercise, lift the corner of the eyes and start blinking. Blink your eyes rapidly 10 times. Repeat this exercise 3 times. With a firm pressure, lift the corner of the eyebrows. And start blinking the eyes 10 times. In the next exercise, keep your eyes wide open and try not to blink your eyes as much as you could. Maintain for 5 seconds and then close your eyes and relax. Repeat 3 times again. In the next exercise, keep your eyes wide open and rotate your eyeballs clockwise and anti-clockwise. In the next exercise, we'll hold the eyebrows and lift them up. And maintain for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Again, lift your eyebrows with a firm pressure. And relax. Close your eyes and rest for a while to feel the immediate effect of relaxation for the eye muscles. This exercises reduces the puffiness around the eyes and relaxes the muscles around the eyes. Again, do some tapping on the forehead to release the tension from the forehead. This gentle tapping and up to down movement also helps to relieve the lymphatic drainage and improves the tightness, reduces the fine lines on the forehead. There is an impact of stress on the facial muscles. Stress causes tension in the muscles of the forehead and around the eyes. So along with the facial massage, you must practice deep breathing techniques to release the tension from the muscles. Practicing face yoga for 5 to 10 minutes daily can result in lifted and youthful face. Along with facial yoga, you must follow the dietary tips for the maximum benefits. Avoid sugar, caffeine, and excessive use of processed food. Include whole and less processed food to nourish your skin. Include collagen boosting and antioxidant rich food to improve the elasticity of the skin. Stay hydrated to reduce the toxins from the face. And follow these techniques to get the maximum results of the facial yoga. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like and share my video, and stay tuned for more videos on the face yoga. Thank you.